You read the title, so you know what it is. Let's get into it.
Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my.
Alright guys, so as the title suggests, I got some handguards for my Indian motorcycle. Camera, there we go. These are Amazon special handguards. They're just some generic ones. They're cheap, like I think I spent 20 bucks on them. So I'll try to find these and put a link in the description. But I guess I'm just gonna show y'all how to put them on my Indian and then see how they look. So let's get into it. All right, so as Walker was showing you the hardware, it's got the bracket for the actual guards themselves, which is this bracket, there it is. And then it's got these little extenders that you don't have to use if you don't need it. I kind of done some test fitting over there, and I actually like it with the extender on it. One thing with this kit, it did not come with the actual mounting bolt that goes here. So I had to find bolts that fit and shave them down. So now I've got bolts to hold the little bracket to the bike. So I guess let's, I'm gonna hand the camera back over here to Walker and have him film me install one of these things. All right, so we'll start with this bracket. I'm gonna do the left side now, which I actually forgot my socket. So I'm gonna need a socket, tighten this down, do it by hand for now. So this bracket's gonna go here. And then this, so this is all part of the hardware. So then I'm gonna take this, that's gonna go on here. Now, with the guard itself, it comes with this plate that's going to go across the front, but to prevent from just metal and plastic, which is probably not going to be good, that comes with little O-rings. So you got a bunch of little O-rings. Those will go in between like that. So I'm going to take the bolt, go in between. Same thing. Put that through. And same thing on the back side. O-ring, O-ring, and then comes with these.
Seems like a pretty easy installation.
Yeah, what, 5 minutes if that? So, bring the camera back, dude. Alright, so I'm going to get this other one installed, and then I'm going to take some videos of the bike. I'll probably move it out here so it's easier to see. And y'all tell me what you think. Oh. Already broke it.
Oh my. Those are supposed to be torqued to inch pounds.
Yep. A little too much oomph. Guess be careful with tightening these.
Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that the ride or die.
All right, guys. So that was pretty easy install. Now, like I said, be careful with tightening the screws. Can I find it? There, because it does break. So yeah, unfortunately, I broke one of mine. But like I said, these are cheap. They're like 20 bucks or something like that on Amazon. So really not that bad. These are smoked. Tell me what you think about the smoked look. I thought about painting them black just to improve the look. So I don't know if I care for the smoke see-through. But tell me what you think down in the comments. So this is going to be it for this one. So see y'all on the next one.